How many of you have had the privilege of being caregivers, either for an older person in your family or a younger person with disabilities? We know that 70% of American families will face that privilege and challenge as we look to the future. Yet, 50 million Americans are uninsured for basic acute health care, and 250 million are uninsured for long-term services and supports. We cannot reform health care without including long-term services and supports. Why? We know that on any given day there are between 10 and 12 million adults who have caregiving needs. We know that caregiving is a 35-hour-a-week job, full-time. We know that people pay out of pocket well over $5,000 a year to help a loved one with caregiving needs. $9,000 if it's a long-distance caregiving issue. It's time to insure against these kinds of eventualities for all of us. We've got to let our political leaders know that long-term services and supports is essential to be part of healthcare reform. Next Wednesday, May the 13th, we have our second call-in day to members of the United States Senate demanding that long-term services and supports be part of healthcare reform. Please join us. We had 5,000 calls 6 weeks ago. We need to more than double that number next week. We must stay on the agenda. The economic health of our country, the financial, emotional, and physical health of every American family depends on it. Thank you.